Hi, I'm Oreo. I'm Nana. Let's learn and play.
Oreo and Nana were having a fun day playing together.
Hee hee.
One toy became 2, then 3.
Yay, stacking is fun. My turn next.
Soon, the room became very messy. The fun began to slow.
The mess felt big.
Oreo noticed Nana felt unsure. They stopped and looked around. Oreo picked up one toy.
Little by little, we can do it.
Nana watched closely.
Then Nana picked up one too. Together?
They cleaned up together.
Little by little, we can do it.
The mess became smaller.
Nana felt calmer.
Almost done. Little by little, we can do it.
The room felt peaceful again. Working together felt good. Cleaning up together makes things easier.
That was fun.
I had fun too.
See you next time.